Okay, we are learning how to draw the simplified human body. So I start with portrait for the paper orientation, and then I do a grid. Dividing the space into 8 sections. The first thing I draw with the human body is the chest. Next thing I draw is the head. They're roughly the same size. A head is like an egg shaped upside down. And then the torso, which is like a cylinder. This should be the same size as the head, and this should be the same size as the head. If I wanted to measure to make sure they are the same size, I take my pencil, and I can see they're the same size. Then I'm going to draw the hips, which are a baseball plate type of shape. And then the hips are rotator cuffs, or rotators. So you're going to start with a circle. And then you have the leg, which is another type of cone shape. And then you have another type of cone shape here. You have the knee, which is an oval. And then you have the bottom part of the leg, which is also a cone shape. And then you have the feet. The feet are really, you think about what you buy your shoes in, they're pretty much this type of shape of rectangle, like the box that it comes in. Then you have the arms, you have another rotator like you do here. And then you have a cone for your bicep, tricep area. You have your elbow, which is another oval, just like the knee. And you have the forearm, which is another cone shape. And then you have the hands, and there's a couple of ways that I like to do hands. The first one I call the spider, and you make these circles, and then you would draw the fingers like they would be like spider legs. And then the thumb is opposite direction. You can do it either way. And then we have the glove. It's exactly what it sounds like. It's just like drawing a glove. So it simplifies it to make it easier, which is all we're trying to do right now, is to simplify the body so it's easier to draw. And then I would just pick which one I like doing the most, and I would put it down here. So if I was doing the glove, draw it like that. If I was doing the spider, I would do it like that. You can do it either way. Make sure everything's in the right place. That's what the grid is for. And make sure everything's the right size. So if we measure the human body, it's about 7 heads. And the way I can measure that is just to draw the human head all the way down. And again, it should be the same size as this head. And this tells you the size of each part of the body. That's it for the simplified human body and hands.